In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Disney Plus on your Samsung smart television. So to go and download the Disney Plus app, we first need to head over to the home screen on our television. Now, you can do this just by grabbing your TV remote, and we're going to press the home button, which is this one located right in the middle. Now, once you're on your Samsung home screen, we can use the left arrow key to scroll all the way over to the left, and you need to go and select this icon here called Apps, and then go and select OK. Now give that a couple of seconds to load, and what we're going to do is come over to the search box in the top navigation, and then using the search box we're just going to type in the word Disney, and then in the top window you should be able to see all of the Disney Plus apps. Now depending on your country and region depends what apps you'll see in this list. So for me, I see the Disney Plus Hotstar apps, which is the one that's available in my region. Now, if you don't see any Disney Plus apps appear, then you can try changing the region on your television. You can just do this through your television settings. And once that region's been updated, you should be able to then see the Disney Plus app. So from this window, we're just going to scroll up and click OK on Disney Plus. And then you can go and press install. Now, you'll just need to wait a few moments while that installs onto your device. Once it's finished installing, we can simply open up the application from this window. You can also go and select Add to Home. And now if I head back over to the home screen on my television, you can see in this bottom window that we now have the Disney Plus app. And this is just going to be much easier in the future to open up the Disney app. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.